In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best video quality in DaVinci Resolve export settings. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to pick so your final video looks crisp, plays smoothly, and is ready for upload or delivery. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and loading the project you want to export. Give your timeline a quick once-over to make sure everything is locked. No muted tracks you meant to hear, no disabled grades, and the playhead parked where you want it. A clean timeline makes exporting straightforward. Next, head to the Deliver page by clicking the small rocket icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where all exporting happens. You'll see the render settings on the left and the render queue on the right. Give your video a clear name and click Browse to choose where to save it. Pick a folder with plenty of free space and consider a naming pattern that includes the version or date. That little bit of organization saves headaches later. For preset, choose Custom Export if you want full control. It's the best way to ensure maximum quality. If you prefer something quicker, you can pick a platform preset like YouTube, which autofills recommended settings. Even with a preset, you can still fine-tune details before rendering. Under Format, select MP4 or QuickTime. MP4 is the most universally compatible and is great for web delivery. QuickTime is also solid, especially if you're working in a post-production pipeline that expects that container. Both can deliver excellent quality when paired with the right codec. For codec, H264 is the default and widely supported. If your system supports it, H265 can provide similar or better quality at smaller file sizes, which is great for high-resolution exports. Keep in mind, H265 can take longer to encode and may not be as compatible with very old devices. If you see options for quality or bitrate, favor higher quality rather than aggressive compression to preserve detail. Make sure resolution and frame rate match your timeline settings. Mismatched settings can cause unnecessary rescaling or motion judder. If your timeline is 4K at 24 frames per second, set the export to the same. Matching avoids quality loss and ensures consistent playback. When everything looks good, click Add to Render Queue. Your job appears in the panel on the right, which is handy if you want to queue multiple outputs. Finally, click Render All. Resolve will process your file and show progress. When it finishes, open the saved file and quickly check video and audio. That's it. Your export is optimized for the best quality.